Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel once again. So we have another problem on the board, and this problem is not from WAS, but it's from GCSE Mathematics, organized by AQA. For the students in UK, take this exam as equivalent exam to WAEC NECO. WAEC NECO O-level exam is in Nigeria, but in UK, you are going to be sitting for this type of exam when you're in secondary school. And the meaning of this GCSE simply means General Certificate of Secondary Education. So it's equivalent to WAEC NECO here. So around year 11, you'd sit for this exam. Also, that's in UK. Then I think about 10th grade in US also sit for this exam. They are organized by ACA. So as you can see, higher tier, paper one, non-calculator. No, you may be wondering that, how do we solve problems like this without the use of calculator? It is actually very simple. Use approximations. They've given you a clue here. Use approximations to estimate the answer to this value. Now, one thing you have to know is that we have series of approximations. Series of approximations. Now, solution to the problem. You observe that the first number here does not have decimal. So that means that you cannot use decimal place. That's the logic. You can't use decimal place. You cannot use approximation based on decimal places because there is no decimal to this. Though there is decimal, there is decimal, but you cannot use it here. And the decimal that the approximation that you must use must be the same for everything. The approximation that must be used here must be the same for everything. So this is not having a decimal, so you cannot use it here. You cannot use decimal place here. So instead, use significant what? Figures. To work for it. Whether it is decimal or there is no decimal, significant figure will work for it, for the two of them. So for this one, approximate to one significant figure. That means I'm going to take this one on this 9. Becomes what? 100. So in that case, I'm going to have square root of 100. Do you understand? Plus, approximate this one to one significant figure as well. You are going to have just 2 raised to the power of 3. All over, approximate this also to one significant figure. You are going to have what? 0.5, because you move this 9 on 5. 9 is a value that you can take one from it and then add to the next, add to the preceding number. You understand? So let's balance up. This is going to give us, so square root of 100 is what? 10. Plus 2 raised to the power 3 is what? 8. Can you see that? All over. For this work to be easy for me, since I don't want to use calculator, or we are not meant to use calculator, not I don't want to use. The instruction is that non-calculator. Okay? You can decide to take this one to a fraction. This same thing as saying what? 1 over 2. Do you agree with me? Are you following, please? So from there now, 10 plus 8 will give us what? 18 divided by 1 over 2. Do you understand? So if you arrange this one, you are going to have 18 over 1 times 2 over 1. So an 18 multiplied by 2 will simply give you what? 36 as the final answer. That's 3 mark. That's how to solve problems like this. Okay, we have a lot of problems on the PQ. So I just decided to take one of them. So because of time. So I hope this is clear. So this is how you solve it. They say approximate, using approximations to estimate. So as you can see, there is no decimal here. So you cannot use decimal places. You rule that out. So GCSE mathematics is actually very simple, but it enables you to think. You need to think very well before you can answer the questions. They are very simple. So do well to follow this channel. I have more of this. Do well to follow this channel. Don't forget to like my video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. If you are not getting anything, please, if you don't understand what I've been solving, please kindly drop your question in the comment section. Please, I will attend to it. So follow me on my YouTube page, my Facebook page, and my TikTok page to enjoy more of this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.